What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's been a minute. It's been kind of crazy with all this coronavirus stuff, man. Been getting kind of settled with work and just making some new adjustments. But we back with a new video, man. Hope you guys are good. Hope you guys are staying safe, washing your hands, and just remain positive in this hard time, man. We're gonna get through this. But getting straight to it, man. Well, actually, before we get into the video, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit that like button, and last but not least, drop a comment if you like the content. Now get straight to it, man. You seen the caption. I got a purchase here from StockX, man. Finally got these in. I got them in a couple of weeks ago, but I'm just now getting around to shooting a video for these. I already shot a video for a pair of these, but this is my personal pair. Finally got my off-white Jordan 5s, size 11.5, man. Happy to finally have these. This is my shoe of the year, man, like I said in my last video. Here we go, man. I got the off-white 5s from StockX. Finally got them. But as you can see by the title, man, I'm gonna give you guys a little free game of how just to save a couple of coins when shopping on StockX. So, for example, I did that with these shoes. So let's say I paid about 750 bucks for these, right? So in Texas, in like 40, maybe 41 total states, StockX is now charging tax on purchases. So if I would have, I paid 750 for these even, but with tax they would have been like 820 bucks. I would have had like 70 bucks in tax. So instead I went ahead and shipped these to my frat brother's house in Florida, and StockX charges tax by the shipping address, not by the billing address. So like I said, I shipped these to my frat brother's house in Florida, and he went ahead and forwarded them over to me. I paid for a label, paid about 10 bucks for the label, had them shipped in. So I waited an extra 2 days for these. So this is the jug, man. So if you're gonna buy an expensive pair of shoes on StockX, some $750 shoes for example, you will be paying about 60 to 70 bucks in tax. So for another example, if you were to buy like a pair of off-white UNCs, they're about 1,300 right now. With tax, they would add about 115 bucks in just taxes in Texas, at least. And our tax rate is 8.25. So in other states, you have a higher tax rate, you're gonna pay a little extra more. So this is just a way just to save a couple of coins when you're buying these expensive shoes, man. I wouldn't recommend using it on like maybe like a $280, $300 purchase, just because for the simple fact the tax is only gonna be maybe about 20 to 30 bucks. You're gonna pay 12 for the label, so you're really only saving about 8 to 15 bucks. So I don't really think that's worth it in my personal opinion. But if you're gonna buy an expensive pair of kicks, the Travis Scott ones and Unions and things of that nature, if you have someone that you trust in one of the states that's not getting charged tax by StockX, you can go ahead and ship them to your friend's house, your family's house, and have them ship them to you. Save yourself upwards of 100 bucks depending on the shoe, man. So I know it may not seem like a lot, but if I'm gonna pay $1,000, I'd rather pay $1,000 for a shoe rather than paying that extra 115, 120 for the exact same shoe. If you can save a coin, then why not, man? I think this method is worth it, man. It's all about saving money. Who wants to spend extra money when they don't have to, man? So if you have somebody you trust, I will go ahead and try that out and save yourself some coins, man. Like I said, I paid about $750 for these. It could have been easily $820 with tax. So I mean, I saved a little money, man. Paid $10 for the label. Had them shipped in. You're gonna wait an extra 2 or 3 days depending on when they get to your friend or family's house. But it wasn't that serious for me, man. And like I said earlier, man, it's just a short video for y'all, just giving y'all some free game. I finally got my off-white 5s, man. I got an empty spot for them in my 5 stack. Gotta go ahead and slide those in, man. Happy to have these finally. 11.5, my babies, my shoe of the year so far. So let me know if you guys are gonna use this method. Let me know if you think it's worth it, or you rather just have them shipped directly to you. I believe if you got somebody that you can trust, it's a good idea, man. I'm always down to save money, especially if I'm gonna spend $1,000 on a shoe. I would definitely like to spend $1,000 instead of $1,100, man. But maybe that's just me. I was talking to a lot of my frat brothers, man, and some of my sneakerhead friends, and they didn't really think about doing this, man. So hopefully before StockX starts taxing in all of the states, man, you can go ahead and get your purchases in and just save a little extra money, man. But that just about wraps it up for this one, man. Y'all stay safe out there. Keep your hands washed. Keep social distancing, man. Stay at home if you don't have to leave the house. so we can go ahead and get through this, man. Let's stick together. See someone that needs help out. This is the time where we need to come together. Till next time on the next video, man. Stay safe, stay positive, social distance. Peace.